Every day, hundreds of gadgets go viral on TikTok, but let's be honest, most of them are totally useless. Today, I'm showing you 10 viral TikTok gadgets that aren't just cool, they actually work. And stick around until the end because the last gadget can totally change the way you work on your laptop. Some gadgets are so smart, it makes you wonder, why didn't someone invent this sooner? In this video, we're counting down 10 viral TikTok gadgets that people are obsessed with online. And if you like any of these, all the product links are in the description and pinned comment. Let's jump right in. Gadgets number 1, mini portable washing machine. This first gadget is blowing up on TikTok, the mini portable washing machine. If you travel a lot, live in a dorm, or just hate hand washing small clothes, this is perfect. It can clean socks, underwear, baby clothes, anything small. Just add water, toss your clothes in, press the button, and it does the work. Plus, it's USB rechargeable, so you can use it anywhere. Dorm, hotel, camping, you name it. Gadgets number 2, electric spin scrubber. Next up is for anyone who hates cleaning, the electric spin scrubber. It scrubs tiles, sinks, bathrooms, floors, even your car interior, fast and easy. It comes with multiple brush heads for different surfaces, and the extendable handle means you don't have to bend over. Honestly, it's like having a cleaning assistant in your hands. No wonder it's viral on TikTok. Retention trigger. By the way, keep watching. The last gadget is honestly one of the most useful for anyone using a laptop daily. Gadgets number 3, portable blender bottle. This next gadget is a must-have for anyone on the go, the portable blender bottle. It looks like a normal water bottle, but it's actually a mini blender. Add fruits, milk, or protein powder, press the button, and it blends your smoothie in seconds. It's USB rechargeable and cordless, perfect for the gym, office, or travel. Gadgets number 4, mini heat sealer machine. Say goodbye to stale chips forever. This is a mini heat sealer machine. Just slide it over any open bag and it seals it airtight. It works on snack bags, cookie bags, pet food, and more. Small, portable, rechargeable, and even has a magnet to stick to your fridge, so it's always handy. Gadgets number 5, magnetic phone cooling fan. Mobile gamers, this one's for you. The magnetic phone cooling fan. If your phone overheats while playing games, this cooler snaps onto your phone and drops the temperature instantly. It even has RGB lights and a digital display. Your phone basically becomes a mini gaming rig. Gadgets number 6, motion sensor cabinet light. This is one of the simplest but most practical gadgets, the motion sensor cabinet light. It lights up automatically when you open a closet, cabinet, or wardrobe. No wiring, no switches. Just stick it on and go. It's rechargeable, wireless, and super slim, perfect for any dark corner. Gadgets number 7, multifunction vegetable chopper. Cooking just got faster with this, the multifunction vegetable chopper. It chops onions, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, and more in seconds. No more messy cutting boards, no more tears from onions. It's easy, fast, and perfect for anyone who cooks often. Gadgets number 8, mini cordless vacuum cleaner. This tiny gadget is small but powerful, the mini cordless vacuum cleaner. Perfect for keyboards, desks, cars, or small messes at home. Cordless and compact, so you can store it anywhere and grab it for a quick clean. Gadgets number 9, self-stirring coffee mug. Who likes stirring their coffee? Not you anymore. This is a self-stirring coffee mug. Press a button on the handle and your coffee, hot chocolate, or protein shake stirs itself. No spoon, no mess, no effort. Just perfect drinks every time. Gadgets number 10, foldable laptop stand. Finally, the gadget every laptop user should have, the foldable laptop stand. It lifts your laptop to eye level, improves posture, and reduces neck pain. And it folds flat to fit in your backpack, perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone on the go. So those were 10 viral TikTok gadgets that actually work. Which one did you like the most? Comment below. If you want to check out any of these gadgets, all the links are in the description and pinned comment. And if you love discovering cool viral gadgets, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.